Looking at number bases for the first time, if you're given any number in base 2, that number allows only 2 digits. That is 0 and 1 because it is in base 2. So the only digits allowed are 0 and 1. Then for numbers in base 5, they only allow 5 numbers. So you're allowed to use 1, 0, 2, 3, 4. But you're not allowed to use the number 5 in base 5. So here we are converting the given number bases to base 10. So base 10 is the ordinary counting system which we use every day. So in base 10, you're allowed to use up to 10 digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now let us convert this number 1011 to base 2. So the first thing that we must do is to draw a grid like this. Then, since here we are given base 2, so I'm going to write the 2 here like that throughout the box like that. Then for the 2 which I have included in the boxes here, we start adding the powers. So here the smallest power is 0, then followed by power 1, then followed by power 2, then power 3, like that. Once we do that, we copy the number which has been given. That is 1011. So we have 1, 1, 0, 1, like that. So this is the number starting from here. 1, this 1, then we have a 0 and a 1. Then the next step is to simplify by multiplication. So what will happen is we multiply this 2 to the power 3 multiplied by the 1, like that. Then we add with the next box just like that. So I'm going to write it down. So the first digit, we have 2 to the power 3, this one, times 1. This is our 1, like that. Then the connection, we put addition. We go to the next box, we have 2 to the power 2. So 2 to the power 2 multiplied by the 0. Then we connect by addition plus. Then we have 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 1 times 1, like that. Next, we have 2 to the power 0 multiplied by 1, like that. Now let us simplify this so that we can get a single value. So 2 to the power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2, which will give us 8. So this 2 to the power 3, you may just write this as 2 times 2 times 2, like that. So we have 2 times 2, we get a 4, then 4 times 2, we get 8. So here we have 8 times 1 plus, then 2 to the power 2 means 2 times 2. And 2 times 2, we get a 4 multiplied by 0, then plus, like that. Then on the other side, we have 2 to the power 1. So 2 to the power 1 is just 2. Then times 1, close, plus, open parenthesis, 2 to the power 0. Now the rules of indices state that any number to the power 0 is 1. So 2 to the power 0, the answer is 1 multiplied by 1. Let us simplify this further. So we have 8 times 1, we get 8, plus 4 times 0, we get a 0, plus 2 times 1, we get a 2, plus 1 times 1, we get a 1. We can add these numbers. 8 plus 0, it's 8. And 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, we get 11. So this number 1011 in base 2, when we change it to base 10, it will be 11. Now let us look at the second example. So we have 124. This is in base 5. So we are using base 5. So meaning I'm going to use this number 5. That's the one I'm going to put here. So I have 5, 5, 5. Then again, following the exact rule as we applied here, we start from the smallest power, which is power 0, then power 1, and power 2. So the numbers are growing. Once we do this, we can now get the numbers identified 1, 2, 4. So we replace 4, then here 2, and 1, like that. Let us follow the same procedure so that we simplify. Okay, so we have 5 to the power 2, like that, multiplied by 1. Then we connect by addition. Proceed, we have 5 to the power 1 multiplied by 2, plus open parenthesis. Then we have 5 to the power 0. 5 to the power 0 multiplied by 4, like that. Then we close parenthesis. We can now simplify this. So for the first digit, 5 to the power 2 means 5 times 5. And 5 times 5, the answer is 25. So 5 to the power 2 means 5 times 5, which is equal to 25, like that. So we have 25 times 1 plus, we have 5 to the power 1 is just the same as 5, multiplied by 2, we close, plus open parenthesis. Any number to the power 0 is 1. So we have a 1 multiplied by 4, like that. We simplify this. 25 times 1, we get 25, plus 5 times 2, we have 10, plus 1 times 4, we obtain 4. Okay. We can simplify this further. So 25 plus 10, we get 35. And 35 plus 4, we get 39. So this number 1, 2, 4, which is in base 5, can be written in base 10 as 39. So this is how we convert any base to base 10. Thank you very much.